ladies and gentlemen, to officially welcome us all on this momentous event. May we call on the indefatigable lady and WSS Administrator, Engineer Leonor Bobby Leopas, Career Executive Service Officer or CESO 4, for her welcome remarks. Round of applause, please.
Committing to 500, at least 500,000 trees this year. The next WSS Administrator Bobby Leopas, 150,000. 150,000 trees. Dr. Cesar Tiambao, Bayambang, 700,000. Wow. Maynila pledges 220,000 more. Palakpakan natin yun. So ladies and gentlemen, feel free to get the stickers. If your organization and your stickers are on the table, feel free po na kunin ang stickers and write your pledges of commitment and post them dito sa ating pledge of